the Farmington Public Library, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video, well, technically it's an unbagging video, for one of our crafts, take and make craft projects this fall. It is a cookie cutter bird feeder. Now, what's a cookie cutter bird feeder? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like, in the sense that we're going to put bird seed in a cookie cutter in order to make a bird feeder. So, when you get your bag from the reference desk, it's going to include a bunch of things. It's going to look a little weird, but just bear with me here. You're going to have a rack card. It'll tell you anything we're doing in specifically the month of December. You have a list of ingredients and instructions. We have both provided and not provided ingredients, so you know what you need to get before you can make the cookie cutter. And then, so we do this, we're providing you with some bird seed, a packet of unflavored gelatin, some corn syrup, a little bit of twine, a straw, a cookie cutter, and some spoons, just in case. Now, there's a video on Creative Bug for this, and you get Creative Bug for free with your Farmington Public Library card. You just have to get to it through www.infoway.org, and then on the left-hand side, you'll click on Online Resources, and then I believe it's Crafts and Hobbies, or you can just hit the little C on the A to Z list, and there it is, Creative Bug. You'll need to create an account. What you're making with all of this stuff, when you finally combine it in a bowl and all of that, is this. It is a cookie cutter bird feeder. Notice I use the straw for the hole. And I'm going to unmold it here just to show you that it is a bit of a step to unmold something. And you want to make sure when you do that, that you do get some sort of spray oil to seriously oil the thing so it's slippery when it comes out. You're going to make sure you have some flour. And you're going to want to put down parchment paper. And the reason I'm going to specify parchment paper is because you don't want the cookie cutter to stick to anything while you're making it or letting it sit in the fridge overnight. Now we're going to unmold this, and here's where things are going to get a little interesting. So the reason you want to make sure that you oil it really well is so that you can just do that. I spent about a minute oiling it, and so you get all the definition in it. And isn't this adorable? And of course, the last thing you do is take your little thread, pop it through. And as you're watching the video, she does caution you about where you poke your hole with the straw when you make it. And I think that's it. There's Creative Bug videos. There's also lots of videos on YouTube if you watch the Creative Bug video and want more camera angles or something like that. There's plenty of stuff on the internet for this. Of course, don't forget the instructions. We do include instructions. So thank you so much for watching. You'll be able to pick this up at the reference desk. It's back there by the government documents. And while you're at it, why don't you do the project and post a picture of it to the Facebook post that we'll make with the link to the Creative Bug video. And post a picture of the finished product where you've hung it for the birds. Thank you for watching.